Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to customize the fonts on your website using Datazar's user-friendly web builder platform. To get started, log into your Datazar account and navigate to the dashboard. Next, click on the Post option. Once you've located the post you would like to format the text for, click on the Edit icon. It's usually represented by a pencil icon. Now, let's explore the font options available to you. To start, since the title of this post already has an H1 heading, let's format all these subheadings as A2. Use your mouse to drag and highlight the text you would like to format. On the Editor toolbar, select Format, and then choose Headings followed by A2 from the drop-down menus. If you would like to see the changes, simply select the Previews option. Now let's apply the same changes to the other subheadings. Now to the last subheading in this post. Now let me show you how to format list items. We'll start with a numbered list. Use your mouse to drag and highlight the text you would like to number. Select the down arrow next to the numbered list icon. Select the numbered list you would like to apply. Your list will now have numbering applied. Now let's use the same procedure with an unordered list using bullet points. Use your mouse to drag and highlight the text. Select the down arrow next to the bullet list icon and click on the bullet list type you would like to apply. Your unordered list will have bullet points. Finally, let's try an unordered list using halo circles. Use your mouse to drag and highlight the text. Select the down arrow next to the bullet list. Click on the halo circles bullet list type. Your unordered list will now have bullet points with halo circles. Now let's explore the font options available to you. Use your mouse to drag and highlight the text. To select a font, simply click on down arrow to get a drop-down of the various font styles. For our first sentence, we'll select Georgia. You'll be able to preview the changes in real time. Next, we'll select the font size of 11. Again, you'll be able to preview the changes in real time. Let's try other font types and sizes. Let's apply Arial size 12 to the next sentence. Let's try Times New Roman size 14 here. How about Verdana font size 18? And finally, Comic Sans MS font size 24. Now let's click on the Previews option to see what our page looks like now. Looks great. After reviewing the changes, if everything looks perfect, it's time to publish your website. Locate the Create or Update button to make your customized fonts live for visitors. Now let's get a preview of what it will look like on the live site. Click the To see the changes live, navigate to the Public Preview URL link. This allows you to view your customized fonts on the actual website. Looks great. Now, let's take a look and compare the formatted and unformatted versions. As you can see, the formatted version is significantly easier for your viewers to read and comprehend. Proper formatting enhances the visual appeal and readability of your blog post, making it more engaging and user-friendly. Remember, taking the time to format your blog posts effectively can greatly contribute to the success and impact of your content. Congratulations! You've learned how to customize fonts using our web builder. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy designing!